Hey everybody, welcome. Well, another quick update. Guess what? The guy's here to pick up the truck and we're heading it over to my friend's shop. I'm Rick. All depressing. Shut the heck up, you stinking roosters. For your setting. This is the shack. So this is the final step before I actually can start working on the thing. Check it out. Are we ready to go, truck? Oh, there it goes. Oh, it's going to hit that right there. Ooh. Cool. Alright, we're going to follow my truck over. Let's go. Going to see your new temporary home. Whew. Hope that's not a sign. Just getting out of my dirt road here, the strap came off. I hope nothing else comes loose. Oh Lord, I don't need my truck to fall off on the way down here. There goes my truck. We're heading off to my friend's shop. Get this thing set in where it belongs and we can start the process. That's the only thing about leaving late. And we got traffic. I hate traffic. But it's okay. We're in no rush. Alright. It's here. There's that. There's that. I can't wait to get my 350 out and compare it to that. It almost doesn't look like it's going to fit, but it will. It will. Now it's here. Now we can start getting going on things. I'll be back maybe Wednesday. I'm not sure when. Yeah, I think Wednesday. Then we're going to start tearing this thing out of here, yank it out. Cool. Can't wait. So that's the update. That's the latest update. Thank you so much for watching. Be blessed. Take back your second just for your sanity. Stay tuned. Lots coming. See you next video.